Ka-Office jangka Central Bureau of Central Communication Ministry of Information and Broadcasting jangka Sarkar India mentakasi khatwe trik risau kala penlong ke exhibition cum outreach program malor ka Swachh Bharat bat Poshan Abhiyan. Hakan ka program la aji hikai kena skol ba per jangka than nong po halor ka khoj ka suba batru halor ka jing penmelen ban bam ki jibam ki batei bat ki badan ki vitamin bat proteins ki banyara bantei ka mat bat ka program kan ne laisngi ka bla penlong plau jangka skol Alpha English Higher Secondary School nong po. Hakan ka program lawan bersakhi de kong Jenenam Chu Additional Director General jangka Zonal Central Bureau of Communication Guwahati kabla long ru kum ka kongsan haka jinya don lang da Manish Kumar IAS Assistant Commissioner ka Ribhoy Gobjet Das Head Office jangka Central Bureau of Communication Shillong uba biang bok basayo moj balawan mi khmat naka umling sin RD Block ka kong WK Bla Principal jangka Alpha English Higher Secondary School nongpo lambat kiwei Hakan ka juk asngi na kaliang Central Bureau of Communication kabahap apo ka Ministry of Information and Broadcasting jangka Sarkar India kala pun kuburamru yo way nong hikai jangka School Alpha English Higher Secondary School o Madhav Singh ubal ayo preng yo Kusnam Teachers National Award naga President jangka India haka program ka brak da belong hanong ba Delhi.
Talk about policies and programs. If we do not have the base, we cannot go forward. What happens is funds come in and go and we still stay at the same level. Then we say we have nothing in our data to show. Here as children who have been adolescents, and the officer from the CDPO has clearly talked about it. The adolescence is a period when it is extremely important to have the right food. We have to talk about a balanced diet. We do not have to look outside what we have. Look into your own food. I would say this because each region has its own food, each place has its own food. You have your own fruits and vegetables. Why do we go out? Why do we not look at our own food and look at our own dietary habits? I have been to many programs over the years when we keep on talking about portion. And then there has been a very disturbing fact that has been brought in many times. That there have been, incidents of children having tuberculosis, having a sore in their intestine. So this is very difficult to, it becomes very expensive because health is expensive, taking care of your health. And preventive health is the most important. Do we eat instant noodles? Even I do eat, I don't deny it. But then it should not become a full meal. Biscuits should not become a full meal. And so we should look into our own diets. What we can get from our own fruits and vegetables. Maybe if you grow, do not look down upon it. Because many a times we think that, the other people are saying theirs is better. But then for our own environment, our food is the best. That is what I feel.